I'm Justine Waldman, and we will begin this afternoon in Alameda County, where nearly 36 death penalty cases are now in limbo because of potential misconduct and allegations of racism. The Alameda County District Attorney has revealed a federal judge has issued an exhaustive review of 35 death penalty cases that date back several decades. KRON 4's Teresa Stasio joins us with the latest on this developing story. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, Justine. The review comes as the Alameda DA says that her office found these handwritten notes that may show prosecutors strategized to block Black and Jewish jurors from serving on death penalty cases. Legal experts are now telling us that these are profound allegations with sweeping consequences.
Maybe what happened here is that these people were deemed to be opposed to the death penalty, and that's how they got away with removing people based on ethnicity.
On Wednesday, legal experts weighing in on the bombshell dropped by Alameda County District Attorney Pamela Price that a federal judge has ordered the review of 35 death penalty cases after these scribbled notes were discovered while examining an appeal for this man, Ernest Dykes. Dykes, a 51-year-old, was convicted and put on death row for the 1995 killing of 9-year-old Lance Clark and attempted murder of his grandmother. Price says that the notes suggest prosecutors may have blocked female Black and Jewish potential jurors from serving on trials. Hadar Avram is a criminal law professor at UC Law San Francisco.
This is probably just the tip of the iceberg, because there were a lot of bats and shenanigans going on until California tightened its laws.
And what could happen next is not only could these death verdicts be set aside, but the entire case could be set aside, and some of these individuals may be given a new trial in its entirety.
Stephen Clark is a former Santa Clara prosecutor and now defense attorney and legal analyst. While the death penalty cases are under the microscope, both legal analysts say that there has been sweeping changes in the past couple of decades, making jury selection more transparent.
There's been a tremendous evolution in how jury selection is done. You have to have a legitimate reason for removing a juror, and you have to articulate that reason to the court if asked.
So we are now suspicious of removals of people on the basis not just of race or gender, but a bunch of other categories like religion, nationality, a lot of other things. And moreover, when the prosecution has to provide a reason, it can't be a silly reason. It has to be a reason that stands like that makes some common sense.
Both legal experts say it could take years before the truth is revealed on whether or not there was misconduct in these cases now being examined. In the newsroom, Teresa Stasio, back to you, Justine.
Teresa, thank you. The San Francisco